Hi guys, another day on tutorials Ghana, and today we are going to learn how to fix Google pending. Let's start now. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Play Store, then click your account or your profile at the top. Then go to Play Protect. So you see, no harmful apps found. So what you do next is go to our phone settings. Then we go to apps. So you go to Google Play Services. Yeah. Yes, Google Play Services. You click on storage, right? Then you select clear cache. After that you go back. Then you go to Google Play Store. Then click on storage. Then you click on clear cache. That's it. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share.